Hello there, it's your boy, Tasty Cake. So, about 10 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago, that presidential emergency broadcast came through the phone, right? I deleted it. I went through as a blah, 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 blah. Now, there may have been, well, there have been articles saying, around this time it's going to happen. But the reason for it to happen is a test. And the reason why it would is necessary, probably in the articles, but I just didn't care because my phone's on silent. And he said, as long as your phone's on, it's going to make a beep. I heard from the bathroom. Way over there. Through the walls. Beep. It's like, whoa. If I needed to find my phone, it would have been kind of late because I was still in the bathroom. I had little eyelashes, so I made my little wishes here, Wishes for tonight. Powerball. So, let's see. That means all the people that are supposed to have their phones turned off where they are located due to work or for school, well, you're in trouble. Take their phones away. That is a laugh. But again, as I've stated, if it was an emergency phone that you kept silent, you know where it is for, reasons, and it went off, and your location was found out, well, it's your fault for not reading the articles and paying attention. What do you know about it? It's been on the news. It's been on the internet. It's probably been in a newspaper. If you want to pay $6 for, $3 for a newspaper, twice as much because people are still too stupid to spend $3 a day for a freaking newspaper and $6 on a Sunday. Well, definitely around here in Middle Child Syndrome, Georgia, it does happen, so. Anyway, if people were clueless enough and didn't pay attention to what's around them, yeah, you're in trouble. Because that's the warning. That was a test from the government saying, we're going to send it to your phones. And I've heard through the walls, around the corner, I'm in the bathroom, and I heard the phone beep. Yeah, I have it at the loudest setting. 10. This one goes to 11. But I really don't understand the purpose of it. It could have been, I get an article saying, what is it for? So, I just want to see and if new articles come out saying this was the reason for it again, maybe I'll read it. So I'm like the others, I didn't bother reading it because I didn't care, because it doesn't bother me. I'm at home. The phone beeped. But, again, I'm not turning my phone off because I need to check for text messages. So for me, it's always on silent. It's an emergency if I need to check. If I'm off somewhere, I'm not going to turn off, turn on, wait for it to load up. And all of a sudden it goes beep. And for say something, oh, someone did something in the government thing. I don't remember it beeping when there's a lost child or kidnapping or a stolen vehicle. I know my phone vibrates for that, but I don't ever remember it beeping. So, for me, it's kind of pointless. For me, it's like, oh, terrorists have invaded your area, run. Like, yeah, they're at my house right now. They know where I'm located, you dumbasses. Just saying. I think it was just personally, I think it was a waste of time. If people got in trouble for having their phones on, then that was kind of worth it. For those that couldn't turn off the phone because they said, well, it's between this time and that time. I read it between these certain minutes we'll be trying, but if there's a problem, we're not going to do it till a few days from now. I was like, what? So again, for me, still a waste of time. It happened. Now, I'm going to get me a box of Kleenex and prepare for when I go to sleep in case I need to blow my nose and such. So, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Tell me what should be done here and there. Anything. Tell me how I can work on my arm because it's still freaking numb. Thank you for watching, and always remember, time waits and turns slowly.